What's going on, y'all? JT with a quick look. I'm just gonna unbox this in this video, and then I'll get a flying video up really soon of a new company called Loolinn. You guys see that up there, Loolinn. I think that's how you're gonna pronounce that. And this is gonna be their Z3 drone. They actually have a couple other different drones and stuff on the market, but went ahead and have this one to review and show this to you guys. So this is gonna cost you about 110 bucks. And it does actually come with 3 batteries, and each battery is going to last about 20 minutes, so you can get about 60 minutes of flight time with this particular drone. Looking at some of these specs on it, you guys can see this here. It does have a camera, but I think it shoots at 720p, so I have to check that out. It's got an app that you can download that you can control the drone through your actual app, FPV on there. Flight plan has actually got 360 flips. That's actually when you actually probably tap a button and it actually just does a flip on there. It's pretty good for showing off with that. And it says it has a hovering function too with that. So this is gonna be pretty interesting to get this out and get this flying as well. You guys see some more of the specs there on the back, and I'll put a link down below in the description if you guys want to check this out and go over there and purchase one. I'd recommend, if you get this, probably get it for a kid that's going to be about 10 years or older, and it would make a good birthday gift or just even a surprise to maybe break a kid into flying these drones and stuff. So let me go ahead, let me get this open and kind of see what all we got in here. All right, so opening this up, this actually seems to be packaged pretty good. Here's the drone here, and you guys see my hand here. So it's going to be probably about this, a little bit bigger than an adult's hand. Of course, when you expand out, it's going to be a lot bigger there. And getting this out, this is going to be where all your goodies and stuff are. And this is, of course, going to be your instruction manual. You guys know that I always recommend you just take a few minutes and you go through your instruction manual just to kind of familiarize yourself with any product that you get. Because there's also some helpful tips and stuff in there. You guys see there's a quick start guide. Scan that QR code. It's probably going to take you to the app to download, so you can actually utilize this on your phone and stuff as well. And then let's take a look at this box of goodies real quick, and I'm going to see kind of what we got in here. All right, so getting this all out, you guys kind of see everything you have here. You do get 3 batteries, so there's 2 in here with these extra blades. So I'm so glad that companies actually give you extra blades and stuff, and some little caps to go on top of there. So you do get 2 batteries in here with this, and then there's actually an extra battery in there too. So it's total of 3. So like I said, you get about 20 minutes flight time on each one of them, which will give you about an hour of flight time. But it probably, you fly one and then you plug this back up and you charge. You could probably fly all day actually with 3 batteries. Normally manufacturers give you about 2 batteries, so I'm impressed that they actually give you 3 to fly this around with. And then of course in here is going to be a couple accessories. These are going to be some guards for the blades right there. And oh, cool, so they give you 2 chargers, so that's actually pretty cool. So you could charge 2 batteries while you're flying one, and then you could actually just cycle the batteries through, like I said, and fly all day. So you could plug these up and then fly, just plug those right up to a USB port. And they do give you this little tool and stuff as well, because for the radio, I went ahead and took a look at this real quick. You do need 4 AA's in there, so you guys see that there, so I'm gonna have to get 4 AA's and put that in there. And then it does have kind of a mount here, which I'll go ahead and get this put on for your cell phone, to mount that cell phone and stuff right at the top on there. And then looking at some of the flight controls, normally on top, and I have to look through some of the instructions and familiarize myself with this as well, because sometimes one of these buttons up here, you hit one of these buttons and that does kind of the 360 flip and stuff for it. And then one of those buttons is probably functionality for hover control too. I'm not sure which one it is. I have to look through this manual and kind of familiarize myself with that. You guys see this quick start guide talks about that a little bit. Let's see, trying to see about some of the tricks you can do with this to see if it just tells me right here, because like I said, I will have to take a few minutes to look through this myself. So it doesn't say it on this quick start guide. This is actually to get you flying, but I will look through this and get this flying pretty soon. So I wanted to at least show this to you guys. It's going to take me probably a couple days to get out and get this film, but I wanted to introduce this company to you guys. And then, like I said, they do have other drones and stuff out there. So there's going to be a link in the description over to their main company site, and then also a link to where you can actually purchase this one. And we're going to get this out flying and stuff pretty soon. It's pretty cool how that battery fits up in there. And then that's going to be the camera right there in front. So we'll get this out and give it a quick test run to see how it flies, especially outdoors, because they say you can fly this outdoors. And the weather's actually really good. It's in the 90s and stuff. So we're going to get this charged up and get this flying. So you guys put your comments down below if you've had one of these or heard about this company. I think it's fairly new, so you guys may not have heard about it, but I am wanting to get this out and get this flying really soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.